Welcome! This is Jay with Explorer Systems. We're going to take a look at school events and sales in Versai. School events are events and activities open to groups that qualify for your educational field trip program as defined by your institution, such as schools, daycares, civic groups, and religious or nonprofit organizations. School events are sold in school sales. In Part 1, we look at setting them up in the Events tab. In Part 2, we look at selling them in the Sales tab. Part 2, Making School Sales. Selling school events happens in the Sales POS. Click New Sale and choose School as your sale type. Select the patron record or create a new one by entering the ID, double-clicking in the box, or clicking Patron Add Search. Then select the visit date. Here are the items you are selling to or booking for your patrons, which are called events. Untimed on the left can happen at any time, and timed on the right have specific start times and durations. A specific showing or instance of a timed event is called a performance. For example, you may have a 30-minute guided tour as your timed event. A docent leads it every hour, and each time it's on the schedule is a performance of that event. Depending on how you operate, you may need to add performances to the grid at this point, which you do by clicking Add Performance. Set the start time and choose the event from the list. The default venue will load, which you can change. Total seats is how many are available. Generally leave that alone. Same with the duration. You can assign staff to this performance if you want, using Assign Instructors. Now the performance can be booked to this reservation. Double-click on the performance in the timed events grid. Set the first category and the quantity for it. For quantity, you can use the max allowed or the estimated number of people. The line is then added to the transaction. We'll repeat this for the other categories, and then start over with the next new performance to compile the full reservation. Once you have all the sale lines, you can enter a deposit and print a confirmation letter. If you're taking the reservation over the phone, I usually give the patron their sale number, which you can call the confirmation or reservation number. Then we'll exit the sale. Instruct patrons to check in at the desk on the day of the reservation. The cashier will open up the reservation and update the lines with final totals of attendees. Then they can take final payments and print a receipt. For a copy of this information and step-by-step procedure with more detail, refer to the built-in user manual. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for when we upload additional videos. And remember, we're here to help. You can reach the Explorer Systems support team on the support forum of the Versai website, as well as via email and phone.